Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure Android Studio and the JDK align with the project. Once done, open the project and click Sync Project with Gradle files to surface errors immediately. Then inspect local. Properties for SDK. Dire and any proxy or path mismatches, also open Gradle. Properties for memory or offline flags. These steps force Gradle to reveal the underlying cause, so you can act on concrete errors instead of guessing. Next, you deal with dependencies and caches. Run /Gradle refresh dependencies in the project root to fetch fresh artifacts. This resolves mismatched or corrupted jars. Make sure to delete the Gradle and module build folders to remove stale caches, then rebuild. Inspect build. Gradle files to align library versions and ensure Google's Maven and Maven Central are present. If a specific dependency fails, pin its working version and rerun sync to confirm resolution. For final completion, run a clean build. /Gradle clean assemble debug and add stacktrace to capture detailed failure info. If you hit out-of-memory errors, increase org. Gradle. JV margs in Gradle. Properties and restart Android Studio to apply it. Once the build succeeds, commit the working change. If problems persist, run scan for a diagnostic link or compare against a known working branch to isolate the breaking change. This targeted approach saves time and reveals the true root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.